Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I have for you the Maniology Mani X Me subscription box from January. So this is January's Mani X Me box. If you don't know what a Mani X Me box, it is Maniology's subscription box. So you get some exclusive goodies every month. So, and I am a brand ambassador for Maniology, but I do buy my own subscription boxes because they're just really fun, really themed. You get some really cool products. So this one is Valentine's themed. It is the, oh no, I'm not good at Coquette, maybe? Mani X Me box. So let me unbox it for you, and then I do want to do some Valentine's nails with it. Okay, starting off with our bonus goodies. So every box comes with 2 plates, 2 polishes, and then a bonus goodie. So this is the bonus goodie, and I did see a sneak peek on the Maniology Instagram, but this says, romance your everyday with this month's bonus gift, a set of 3D color-changing heart nail decals. These adorable hearts shift from clear to pink to red under UV light, adding an enhancing interactive element to your, and again, someone in the comments tell me how to pronounce that, inspired nails. So we got some clear hearts that I guess changed color, which is super cool. Then here is the polish box. It's actually in a different color. Normally they're black boxes, but I like this teal. So here are the 2 polishes we got. We got one stamping polish, which does not have the tag on it. Oh, it's actually in here. So here it is. It's called Pout. And again, Maniology. If you see this, find a better adhesive for your stickers. Okay. So stamping polish in Pout is like a bright, fiery red. And then we have this one is falling off too. This is called Silk and Satin, which is a cute name. It's this pearly pink shade. And this, I believe, is just a regular polish. So let's see. Silk and Satin is a baby pink, regular nail polish. And then Pout is a bright red with a cream finish stamping polish. So there are those 2. And then we got our sticker. Usually in most, I think they try to do all, but I've had a couple that have been skipped. But in most of your Maniology orders, you get a sticker. So this one says colors speak louder, which is super cute. I have saved all my stickers. I think I want to decorate a cup with them. And then here are the 2 stamping plates. So this one is MXM143. So this one, we got some different images on it. Kind of looks like stamps, like some Valentine stamps. We got some strawberries, some bows. We do have some bunnies. So I think this would be a good plate kind of for all of spring, because you do have some Valentines. You do have some florals, some ribbons, strawberries, which I feel like can be for spring. And then we do have a couple bunny images as well, which can kind of lead into Easter. And then this one is MX144. So this all has full images. So we do have a plaid. We have some more bows and cherries, bows and cherries, strawberries, cherries, strawberries. We got some lacy detail, some bows with some lace, more bows. These are roses and strawberries, maybe, yeah, strawberries. And then this one is some itty bitty little flowers. So super cute. So again, here is everything that we got in January subscription box. So I do want to do a tutorial. So let me figure out some colors. I do think I want to pull some of the cat eyes from the Madame Glam Valentine's collection. So let me grab some colors and we'll kind of get into it. Okay, so let's get into these nails. I have my nails prepped, filled, and ready to go. The first color we're going to start out with is from the Madame Glam Valentine's collection. I will leave a link to the video. I did swatches of the whole collection, so definitely go check that out. This one is called Sweetheart. It is a chalky white with a little hint of pink to it. So I am going to paint this on my pinky, my ring finger, and my thumb. The next color I'm going in with is Madame Glam's Juliet's Vow. This is a pretty medium bubblegum pink, and I am going to paint this on my pointer finger and my middle nail. Next, we're going to go in with Madame Glam's Moonlit Romance. This is one of their cat eye polishes. So it is this lighter baby pink cat eye polish. So I am going to paint a coat of this on my pinky and my thumb. I'm not going to do the cat eye effect quite yet. I will do that on the second coat. And then for the rest of the nails, I will do a second coat of the solid color. So here I am going in with that second coat of the cat eye. So to do a cat eye, all you have to do is put your base down. You take your cat eye magnet. I did get this one from Madame Glam. And you just hover it above it. The trick is getting it close enough to the nail without bumping it. And then you get that really cool cat eye line in the nail. Now we're going to go in with some stamping. So from Maniology, I'll be taking the stamping polishes in Bam White, as well as the one from the subscription box. This one is Pout, it is a bright red. Then for stamping plates, I am going to take the 2 stamping plates that came from the subscription box. I'm going to use both of them. And then I also pulled a third one. This is an antique swirl French. And I am going to use one of the lace details on this one. So I am cleansing my nails off of the tacky layer, and we're going to start out with the middle nail. I'm going to go ahead and take the Bam White shade, and we're going to stamp this heart in the center of the nail. This is like a framed scalloped heart, and I am going to fill this in with one of those 3D heart charms that we got in the subscription box. Then in red, I'm going to stamp this image. It's of a bow with some crisscross laces, almost like a shoelace pattern. And I'm going to stamp this on my ring finger. Then switching over to the other new stamping plate. Still stamping in red, I'm going to take that lacy rose detail and I'm going to stamp it on my pointer finger. And now my nails are longer than these images are, so I am just going to make sure to place it at the bottom of the nail, and then we are going to fill in the top here in just a bit. So now I'm going to take Scarlet Red from Madame Glam. This is a really pretty metallic red shade. It's kind of one of their foil gels. And this is what we're going to use to fill in the top of the pointer finger. So I basically just cut off where that stamp cut off, and then that whole cuticle area I'm going to fill in with this red gel. Then after I cure the red gel, I'm going to cleanse that area again, and we're going to go in with another layer of stamping. So this is where I take that antique swirl French plate, and I'm going to take this lace detail on the end. It's just skinny enough that it fits perfectly in that area we just did. So I'm going to directly stamp this on top of the red that we just did. And there is a rose in this lace detail that I'm going to center to kind of match with the other flowers that are going down the nail. So now that the stamping is done, I'm going to go back and add my detailing. So going back to the cat eye polish, I'm going to fill in that heart frame, and I'm going to give it a pretty good layer, fill it in. I'm not going to do a full cat eye effect on it with the line down the middle of the heart, but I do kind of hover the magnet above to kind of activate some of the magnets to give it a shift. Then we're going to go in with some charms, so I will be using the Jelly Nails Super Diamond Gel Glue. I absolutely love using this gel for charms, and we are going to take the 3D color changing hearts as well as just some red rhinestones. So I'm going to dot the gel right in the center of my heart, and then I'm going to take a 3D heart that is just slightly smaller than the heart we stamped on the nail. So it kind of fits perfectly right in that frame. And I'm going to try to center it, and then I'm going to flash cure that right away. Then we're going to take the red rhinestones. I'm going to place one on the center of the bow on the ring finger. And then on the pointer finger, I'm going to do a line of red gems right where that transition is from the pink to the red on the nail. And now it's time for top coat. I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. So here is how the nails came out. I think they came out so cute. We have a really girly pink with lacy details. We have the accents of red. We have the color changing heart. We have a couple different stamping patterns. I think these came out really cute. I loved combining the Maniology subscription box with the cat eye collection from Madame Glam. They just kind of all worked perfectly together to make this set of nails. And remember, I do have discount codes with both Maniology and Madame Glam. I'll have them up on the screen as well as in the description box down below. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my tutorials. Make sure you subscribe for more coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!